In the face of quantum computing and increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks, cryptography and network security are entering a critical era of transformation. As one of the leading cybersecurity pioneers in Taiwan, WAP stands firmly at the forefront of global innovation to safeguard our nation's digital sovereignty. WAP transforms global insights into practical solutions, helping governments and critical industries defend against cryptographic threats and nation-state attacks in the quantum era. WAP has launched the new WAP, designed specifically for the security challenges of the post-quantum computing era, combining high security, high performance, and high availability. Our flagship product, HSM, is a lightweight, high-performance hardware security module designed to meet the stringent demands of modern digital infrastructure. Partnering with Google, WAP also supports client-side encryption, a transparent, zero-trust environment for secure video, email, and document collaboration, giving full control back to organizations and supporting national data sovereignty. At WAP, we don't just follow global standards, we help shape them.